Today we are going to learn about how a mother deals with a friendship of kid problem.
Mom, I have a problem. My friend is mad at me.
Oh no, what happened?
I accidentally broke their toe. And now they're upset.
Accidents happen. Have you apologized?
Yeah, but they're still mad.
Sometimes it takes a little time for them to feel better. Maybe you could offer to help, fix the toe, or do something nice for them. What do you think?
I could draw them a picture.
That's a wonderful idea. A nice drawing might help. Show them you care. Do you want me to help you with it?
Yes.